Alright guys, today we're in North Scottsdale and we're going to check out the Mission. It's a Latin, Mexican, Spanish, Central American cuisine here in North Scottsdale. So let's go inside. Alright guys, the menu and the Mission. I think it looks fantastic on here. We'll have to see what we get into today. Alright guys, went with the chicken chilaquiles. You got the egg on top, tortillas, cojita cheese. We did the street corn, and Nicole got the kale salad with shaved chili chicken. Alright guys, lunch was really good. The chilaquiles, light smoky flavor, really good. If you haven't tried chilaquiles for breakfast, it's a must. And if you're hungover, it's really nice to have. I think Nicole liked her salad and the street corn was good. So the price on the dinner for lunch, yes, the US is expensive. It was $70 with tip. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. I'll be in LA on Tuesday, becoming a British citizen. So maybe I'll have a dinner video for you there. All right guys, later.